this video, it's a little bit different. We're in Australia and we're doing a what?
Road trip.
A road trip. And where it stopped at roadworks. And we thought we'd do the opener now, but we're a little bit close, so we've got a friend. In this video, we're heading to the Hunter Valley. Have we been there before?
Yep.
How many times?
Oh, a few times.
We've been at least twice, and you've been at least once without me before we went out.
Yeah. Twice, I think.
Oh, twice. There you go. So it's a favourite place of ours that we're heading. It's a wine region in Australia. We'll make a whole different video about that. But this video is about the road trip aspect and getting to Pokolbin and just the joys of the road trip. Roadworks definitely proved to be part of this scenic trip. But let's give us a little overview of the road trip. So we left our home in Blackheath in the Blue Mountains, travelled down Bell's Line of Road, heading towards the Putty Road, which is a scenic road. This part of the video, we're heading through the town of Pokolbin, and if you want to learn a little bit more about that, I'll put links down in the description below about visiting Hillbilly Cider. This drive was approximately 3.5 hours and we were looking at about 246 kilometres up. Putty Road is a road that was developed from a track that was used for cattle duffing, which is an Aussie term for cattle rustling, in the early 19th century. In 1819, John Howe was the one who sort of plotted out the track, and in 1823 the road was open, and it was the popular and first link between Sydney and the Hunter Valley. Today the Putty Road is a popular route for scenic drives as we're doing today, and also motorcycle touring, which being a Friday we didn't see too many bikes, but we will show you a popular stop later on in the video. This is where my planning went awry. We were supposed to stop and have a rest and a picnic at this place that I think it was ChatGPT or Google had picked out for us, and it was a closed caravan park. So we hopped back in the car and kept driving until we found somewhere to stop. Burgers.
Good.
Good?
Right.
How are you enjoying the drive so far?
Yeah, very good. Beautiful day, lovely weather, and not much traffic, so it's pretty great.
You enjoying the curves?
Yeah, yes, pretty good bends up there.
It's a nice little. Yeah. There's we've pulled into
Grey Guns Café,
and it's very much a motorbike stop, isn't it?
Yeah, there's motorbikes everywhere. They'd love this road.
Yeah, there's not many of these roads left anymore, are there?
No.
So lots of open road, lots of bends, and this place is great. So we're
nice
about
lunch.
Very nice. We can recommend. We find there's always something uniquely different about doing a road trip and just hanging out together. Lately we've got into audiobooks, and this was a great time to just sit and relax as we drove the road and listen to an audiobook. We were listening to Redeeming Love by Francine Rivers, great novel, and it is a long one, so a good one for a road trip. What's a favourite thing that you like to do on a road trip? Do you listen to music? Do you listen to radios, podcasts, like us, audiobooks? What's your favourite? And have you got a current favourite podcast you're listening to? Always open to new ideas. Let us know in the comments below.
Coming all the way over there. This must be a bike path.
Thank you. Turn right, and then turn left.
We've just arrived at Singleton and having a bit of a stop. Going to have a wander around so that we can see. Behind us is the museum. We're going to go visit, Phil?
No.
No, it's not open.
Oh, on Friday.
So we're going to have a wander around. The city was built in or founded in the 1820s. River trade was its big thing and that's what made it prosperous. Many bats up in those trees.
That makes sense to sundial. Doesn't matter where to start, where to
This is Singleton Courthouse. I was going to say St. Pete. Oh yeah, St. Luke's actually. I was going to say St. Peter's way out. Turning onto this road, it was not only nearing the end of our adventure for the day, but it was also reminding us that we'd made it to wine country and we were excited for what the next couple of days had in store for us. So why not hit that subscribe button and join us as we explore more of Australia's Hunter Valley.
You just grab the map, everything will sort of be in that for
Yep,
you as
no
well.
worries.
No worries.
Made it to the Hunter Valley wine region. So I hope you've enjoyed our drive up the Putty Road and lunch. What do you think of lunch at the pub?
Yeah, really good. It's quite
Yeah.
a nice spot.
Nice biker pub.
Yeah.
I think it would be a pumping place on the weekend, yes.
Yeah, and bikes love that Putty Road.
Yeah.
It's such
yeah.
a windy stretch. It's good.
Yeah. So let us know what you would do. Would you do the Putty Road or would you prefer go up the freeway? We'd love to hear from you. As always, thanks for joining us. Travel brilliantly. Bye.